Welcome back, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. Could you get a $1,400 IRS stimulus check? With the economic challenges we've faced recently, this question is undeniably important for many Americans. So, let's delve into the details and find out more about these payments, who qualifies, and how you might receive one. Firstly, let's understand what these checks are all about. The $1,400 stimulus payments are part of the American Rescue Plan Act, signed into law in March 2021. These checks were designed to provide financial relief to individuals and families hit hard by the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The payments aim to stimulate the economy by giving individuals the purchasing power to support themselves and their loved ones during these challenging times. To determine if you're eligible for these checks, you need to meet certain criteria set by the IRS. Generally speaking, these payments were targeted at various income groups. If you're an individual with an adjusted gross income of up to $75,000, you might qualify for the full amount of $1,400. For married couples filing jointly, the income threshold is set at $150,000. People filing as head of household have a threshold of $112,500. It's important to note that the payment amount decreases for those with higher incomes and phases out completely beyond $80,000 for individuals and $160,000 for married couples. It's essential to understand that these eligibility requirements are based on your most recent tax return. For the majority, this would be either their 2020 or 2019 tax return, whichever was most recently filed at the time the payments were issued. If your 2020 tax return has been processed before the checks were sent out, that would be the basis of your eligibility. Another crucial factor to consider is dependents. Under the American Rescue Plan, dependents of all ages are eligible for the $1,400 payment, as long as the individuals they depend on meet the income requirements. This is a notable change compared to previous stimulus packages, which limited additional payments to dependents under the age of 17. Now, college students and elderly dependents can also contribute to the household stimulus payment total. Understanding how these payments are distributed is equally important. Most people receive their payments automatically, thanks to the information provided through previously filed tax returns. The payments could be delivered in several forms: direct deposit, paper checks, or prepaid debit cards. Ensuring that your tax filing status and banking details are up to date with the IRS can facilitate a smooth delivery process. What if you didn't receive your payment, or received less than what you believe you qualify for? Fear not. The IRS has implemented a process known as the Recovery Rebate Credit. If you missed out on your payment or didn't receive the correct amount, you could claim this credit on your 2021 tax return. This could effectively allow you to receive the stimulus payment as a refund or reduce your tax bill for the year. Due diligence is important, so be prepared with the documents you need to navigate this process. Collect any notices about your stimulus payments, such as Notice 1444, your economic impact payment. These documents will be necessary to ensure accuracy when filing your tax return and claiming any missing funds. Lastly, let's consider some potential impacts on your tax obligations. Some might worry that receiving these payments could increase their tax liabilities. However, it's reassuring to know that these payments are not considered taxable income. They are tax credits. Therefore, they won't contribute to your annual income, ensuring that you will not owe additional taxes on these amounts. In conclusion, the $1,400 IRS stimulus checks are a crucial financial support mechanism for millions of Americans. By understanding the eligibility criteria, ensuring your information with the IRS is current, and knowing the steps to take if your payment hasn't arrived, you can maximize your chances of receiving this support. Whether you are experiencing financial difficulties or simply want to be informed about the resources available, staying informed about these economic measures is essential. We hope this information sheds light on whether you could qualify for this stimulus payment. Don't forget to share this video with anyone you know who might benefit from understanding this important topic. As always, feel free to reach out in the comments if you have questions, and thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more informative content, and we'll see you in the next video.